climbed over your fence, had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. I felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I, floating on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that.
Hey guys, welcome back to Homemaking Heaven. I'm Kristen, and in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys a day of cleaning in my home. I will also be doing some small organizing and decluttering projects that I have been putting off for quite some time. I am not doing my spring cleaning this week because my husband was sick last week for almost the entire end of the week, so I have got to jump back into my spring cleaning, but I wanted to make sure to give you guys some motivation. So I hope that you enjoy it and that it helps you to get some things done around your own home. I want to welcome you if you're new and thank you if you are a returning viewer. I appreciate all of the support, and make sure that if you are new that you subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. I've got a ton of content coming up, spring related. I'm trying my best to get as much of it out as I can with my husband not feeling well, but I hope that you guys will join me for that. And without further ado, I will let you guys get into today's cleaning motivation.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
I was very excited to get my organizing projects and done decluttering projects over on my medicine cabinet and my art drawer that I have downstairs in the kitchen. I am going to try and declutter my entire kitchen. I've actually ordered new containers for the pantry with labels, and so that's going to be a really big project. I actually don't know if I'm going to incorporate that in my spring cleaning or if I'm just going to have that as an entirely different video. I'll just kind of wait and see as things kind of go and how my husband feels and all of that kind of stuff. Today I got a lot done, although I did not get everything done. That's totally okay. I can, always either kind of pick things up a little bit later on in the evening or just kind of move things on my list to the next day. So I want to know, do you guys have lists every single day, or do you just kind of go with the flow and just know what project's in your head? Because I feel like I'm the only one that doesn't tend to write stuff down. I'll just have like things in my head, and then I'm like, okay, I need to get this done, and then I need to get this done. So I'm just curious how you guys do it.
Stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this page. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, forget I'm made this way, but why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't.
Well, today's video was kind of a shorter one, but I hope that it gave you guys a ton of motivation, even to get some of the smaller projects done around your house, because over here at Homemaking Heaven, I am cleaning with meaning, because even though these projects are smaller, they definitely help my mental health so much with my OCD and health anxiety. So anytime I'm able to get something like this done, it is amazing at how I feel mentally. So I just want to challenge you guys to take on even the smallest project around your house. I promise you it will make you feel so much better. Again, thank you for joining me today. I am hoping to be back on normal schedule. I will update you guys on my community tab. My husband Jeff was able to go to work today, but he says he's still just not feeling totally well. So we will see how that goes. And again, I'll update you guys, but I cannot wait to see you in the next one. Leave me a comment down below. If you have any questions, I will have everything like cleaning wise that I have in the video. I'll link that down below. And anything else that you guys have questions about, definitely leave that in the comments. And I can't wait to talk to you there. And as always, much love. Bye.
You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, I'm looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire.
Every time that my mind slip, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder why I carried on with the things that made you lose your mind. There's no way I can undo what I've done. Can we be strangers again? Start fresh like a morning. What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I